Hello, children. Today we are going to start with a thought which is related to our topic. You must have got the idea about which disease I am talking about. Yes, you are right. It is diabetes. Let us read the thought. Diabetes is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, but it is your choice to scream or enjoy the ride. Children, have you enjoyed a ride of roller coaster? During the ride, we experience high or low movements like a swing. Similarly, in diabetes, sometimes blood sugar goes high or sometimes it goes low. So, preventive measures can be taken to manage the diabetes in order to stay healthy and to enjoy the life. Let us discuss one question under Can You Tell section. Do you remember any person drinking the sugar-free tea or avoiding consumption of sweets? What may be the possible reason for this? Persons who have diabetes are seen avoiding consumption of sweets. They even avoid the sugar present in the tea and thus they go for sugar-free alternatives. In diabetes, the blood sugar level is not controlled. It goes on increasing, which can cause lots of dangerous effects on our body. Therefore, diabetic people have to take care of their health. Otherwise, the disease diabetes affects the functioning of major vital organs like eyes, kidneys, heart, etc. Let us study about the disease diabetes. The hormone insulin produced in pancreas controls the level of sugar glucose in the blood. Children, do you have any idea regarding what are hormones? Let me tell you. Control and coordination in our body is brought about with the help of certain chemical substances called hormones. So, hormones are the chemical substances secreted by endocrine glands. Hormones are directly released into the blood and then it gets circulated throughout the body. So, hormone insulin is secreted by the gland pancreas. It is very important that hormones are secreted only in the required quantity. Let us take an example of the disease diabetes. In diabetes, what actually happens? There is a high level of sugar level in the blood. So, whenever there is an increase in the blood glucose level, certain cells in the pancreas get stimulated and as a response, they release a greater quantity of insulin. If insulin is secreted in low quantity, glucose level cannot be controlled and this disorder is called as diabetes. Children, actually diabetes has no cure. So only preventive measures can be taken in order to deal with this disease and to stay healthy. Let us see how food turns into energy. Certain foods, example carbohydrates, break down into sugar during digestion. Children, you have studied about digestive system in last year and you all know very well that during digestion complex substances are broken down into simple substances. For example, carbohydrates are broken down into simple sugar. Fats are broken down into fatty acid. Proteins are broken down into amino acids. So carbohydrates, they break down into sugar during digestion. Then sugar enters bloodstream. Rising sugar level in blood causes pancreas to release insulin. Insulin moves sugar from blood to the cells where it is used for energy. Carbohydrates make blood sugar go up and insulin makes blood sugar go down. So during digestion, carbohydrates are broken down into sugar. So carbohydrate make blood sugar to go up, and whenever blood sugar goes high, it's duty of pancreas to secrete insulin, and insulin makes blood sugar to go down. Is it clear to you all?